if you want to understand how liquidity, rewards, and incentives actually work on Abstract, this video is for you. Chains don't grow on narratives, they grow on liquidity, usable DeFi, and well-designed incentives. Today we're looking at Aborean Finance, the core liquidity layer on Abstract, which is the green chain. I'll explain how swaps, liquidity providing, gauge rewards, and ABX incentives work using my own real position, no theory. This is low to medium risk DeFi yields, not lottery farming. Still, risks come with it, so as always, do your own research and there's no financial advice here. Let's go through the basics how Aborean works. Aborean is an automated market maker. That means trades don't happen through order books. They happen through liquidity pools. When someone swaps, for example, wrapped Ether to ABX, which is the native token of Aborean Finance, we'll come to that in a second, or for example to Pengu, they are not trading with another user directly. They are trading against a pool that already holds both of the tokens. The pool rebalances and a small swap fee is being charged. On Aborean, fees depend on the pool, so stable pools can be as low as 0.01%. The more volatile pools go higher. Volatile, for example, if we have ETH and Pengu, they both are very volatile, so of course the pool itself is volatile as well. Those fees are paid to liquidity providers. So if you provide liquidity, every swap through that pool earns you a share of the fees, depending on how big your share of the liquidity pool is. That's the base layer. If you have any questions around that topic, feel free to ask them down in the comments. I'm happy to answer them there in the comment section, or maybe do a little short on that, or do a deep dive in one of the upcoming videos. Now let's anchor this in something real. I'm providing liquidity to GUSD USDC pool on Aborean Finance. This is a stablecoin pair which already reduces the volatility compared to token X ETH or token stablecoin pools. My position size is, as you can see here, roughly $860. The pool uses concentrated liquidity with a 0.01% fee tier. My price range here is super tight, between 0.998 and $1. As long as the price stays inside this range, my liquidity is active and earning fees. Right now, both sides of the position, GUSD and USDC, are fully deployed. Fees and rewards, those are two income streams. So liquidity on Aborean earns from two sources. First, there's the swap fees. I already talked a little bit about that. Every trade that goes through this pool generates fees, and I earn my proportional share automatically. And second, there's the ABX rewards. After adding liquidity, I stake my position into the gauge. That step is critical. Only stake liquidity earns the ABX emissions. Because my position is staked, I currently have ABX rewards available to claim, and they accumulate over time. This is separate from the fees and comes from protocol incentives. Important point, there is no fixed APR. So the returns depend on trading volume, total liquidity, emissions, time. So the APR changes constantly. Let's talk about the concentrated liquidity and why it matters. Concentrated liquidity is about efficiency. Instead of spreading funds across all prices, I chose a narrow range. That means higher fee generation per dollar, but only while price stays in range. If the price leaves the range, the fee generation stops, the reward stops, and the position must be adjusted. So for stablecoin pairs, the risk is lower, but it still exists. And this is a design choice, not free yield. Quick recap before we go further. Liquidity pools generate fees. Staking into gauges unlocks ABX rewards. Concentrated ranges improve efficiency, but require monitoring. ABX is the incentive token of Aborean. You can claim it, reinvest it, or lock it. When you lock ABX, you receive veABX, and veABX represents voting power. The longer ABX is locked, the more voting power you get, and this voting power is used to decide which pools receive emissions. The veABX doesn't just represent governance, it represents influence over rewards. If you care about long-term positioning, this is the control layer of the protocol. If you've been an abstract power user, then you might actually have some ABX tokens or some veABX tokens. They were auto-logged in your account, so make sure to check this. In Aborean Finance, you might actually have some tokens there that you can vote with on a weekly basis. If you've been one of those lucky people, then do this, because if you do the voting, then it definitely makes sense. Each pool has a gauge. Gauges determine where ABX emissions flow. Every week, veABX holders can vote. Pools with more votes receive more emissions. And more emissions usually mean higher rewards, more liquidity, more volume. There is also an incentive system, often called Bribes. Users or projects can deposit tokens to reward voters who vote for specific pools. So these incentives are non-refundable and paid to voters. This creates a feedback loop. The votes lead to emissions. The emissions attract liquidity. The liquidity increases volume, and the volume generates fees. And that's the incentive flywheel. Let's go over this once again. You vote, and that leads to emissions. The emissions attract more liquidity because people want those emissions as rewards. Then liquidity increases the volume on the chain and on Aborean Finance, and this is good for both Aborean and Abstract, and that volume generates more fees. So you see how the flywheel works there. Aborean is still in an early incentive phase. Emissions are higher now and reduce over time. This is standard DeFi bootstrapping behavior, but there are real risks that we need to talk about. Impermanent loss, the ABX price volatility, APR decline, smart contract risk. None of this is risk-free. The correct approach is start small, understand the mechanics, and then scale from there. And always invest only what you're willing to lose. To summarize this, Aborean handles swaps through liquidity pools. Liquidity providers earn fees. Staking into gauges unlocks ABX rewards. Locking ABX gives you a voting power, and voting directs incentives and emissions. This is the liquidity engine of Abstract. If you want to participate, take it step by step. You can either use your Abstract Global wallet or your EVM wallet if you want to get some sweet experience points. Either use your AGW, or it should also be working if you delegate one of your EVM wallets that you're using with Aborean Finance to your Abstract Global wallet. If this was useful, like this video, subscribe, check the Abstract playlist. We're over 45 episodes already. Comment below which pool you're looking at first. I'll see you in the next one.